We're going to talk about writing a translation rule, but before I go into that, I want to kind of show you a visual of what translating looks like. So here I have the Mona Lisa, and I see that translating, it stays the same, but I can just move this up. That's going to be a vertical translation. I can move it to the side, and I see that's going to be a horizontal translation, but then I can also just like move it diagonally, wherever. And so I see it stays the same. They're both still congruent. They're the same shape, but I am just moving where it's at. And I notice that the Mona Lisa is still in the same orientation. It's still going up and down right here, but it's just changing where it's at. Okay, so for writing a translation rule, I am going to now try and come up with this right here, this XY arrow, X plus whatever and Y plus whatever, by looking at this picture. So it's important for this is that I need to start from the pre-image and see how it changes to get to the image. So that means I need to start with this blue shape because that is going to be my pre-image. And I know that because it doesn't have that prime notation with it. So what I like to do when I'm doing this problem is I'm going to go ahead and just start with A. And I want to see how I can get to A prime. And since this is a translation, the same rule should apply to all of B and C. And so I see, for my rule, I need to see first how X is affected. And X is, that's going to be my x-axis, so that's going to be how much is it moving left or right. Well, I see to get from A to A prime, I moved left 4. And since I'm moving left 4, I'm really subtracting 4. And then I need to see how much is Y change. So how much am I going up or down? Well, I see to get from here to here, I just go up 1. And so I'm adding 1 to Y. So here, this is how much is going left or right. That's how much is going up or down. Another way you can do it is going ahead and actually writing out the coordinates. So I can say A, that coordinate is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then A prime, that one's at 2, 3. And I can go from here and actually see how much I am adding or subtracting to my X and Y to get from A to A prime. So I see to get from A to A prime, how do I get from 0 to 2? Well, 0 plus 2 gets me 2. So I'm adding 2 to X. And then to get from 4 to 3, I have to subtract 1, and so this is really going to be Y minus 1. And again, you can still get that from the picture here. If you're looking, how much am I going right or left? Well, I went right 2, and then I went down 1. So either way works in how you think about that. Okay, that's it for this video, and go ahead and move on to the next one where we will actually translate a figure in the coordinate plane.